Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to Belfast Grand Central Station, the newly constructed bus and rail station in Belfast and Northern Ireland's largest ever infrastructure project. Right behind me is the Rise sculpture built in 2011, and the two globes of the sculpture symbolize the rising of the sun and new hope for Belfast's future. The new station is just a short walk from here and takes about 30 minutes. And this enormous project is reshaping the landscape of the Belfast. It's located in Weaver's Cross, right in the heart of Belfast, and covers about 8 hectares of city centre land. On our walk, I will also be showing you few glimpses of Belfast city as well. Now I am at the Great Victoria Street, and this is the monument to the unknown women workers from early 90s. Belfast is really vibrant and one of the most beautiful cities in the UK, and has got an immense history and is rich in arts and culture. That's the Presbyterian Assembly building from the early 20th century, and these are the headquarters of the Presbyterian Church in Ireland. Other important infrastructures here are the Scottish Provident Institution building built in 1902 and the Belfast City Hall built in 1906. These buildings are an exemplary proof of the outstanding ancient architecture of the Belfast region. At the Queen's Square is the Albert Memorial Clock, built in 1869 in memory of the Prince Albert, and is one of the best known landmarks of Belfast. This area is quite famous and has also been featured in few of the feature films in the past. The beautiful artwork on the wall is a tribute to the King William III on his passage through Belfast on his way to Battle of Boyne. As a part of the construction of Belfast Grand Central Station, the Sandy Row Bridge has been closed for demolition, and we could see some pledges to reopen that bridge. Now I have finally arrived at the Belfast Grand Central Station. This station officially opened in 2024, replacing the nearby Great Victoria Street train station and the Europa bus centre. This project has a massive aim, and that's to future-proof Belfast's transport network for the next 100 years, connecting rail, bus, cycling and walking all in one integrated hub. The budget for this project was more than 300 million, and that's a major investment, not just in infrastructure, but in the future of urban mobility here in Northern Ireland. Once fully operational, over 20 million passengers a year are expected to pass through this Grand Central Station, making it one of the busiest transport hubs on the island of Ireland. Inside the station, you will find retail units, food and drink outlets, customer lounges, ticketing halls, and even exhibition spaces. There are multiple information boards showing the rail and bus departure times, and this station is usually a quiet station, meaning that there are no public announcements made. This station has 8 train platforms, 26 bus stands, a dedicated cycle parking, and fully accessible design throughout. After the construction of the Belfast Grand Central Station, this neighbourhood has been renamed as Weaver's Cross, and you can see the miniature form of the Weaver's Cross showing the Belfast Grand Central Station. As of today's date, inside the Belfast Grand Central Station, there are a couple of retail outlets like Starbucks, Pret a Manger, M&S Food, and also Brewdog Bar. And that's the sum of the team members who were involved in the construction of this project. This station not only connects Belfast to the cities across Northern Ireland, but also supports future rail electrification and includes plans for potential all-island high-speed rail connections down the line. As you can see, the architecture of the Belfast Grand Central Station is really striking. It's light-filled, open and built with sustainability in mind, with use of energy-efficient systems. This station is sleek, ambitious and already ready for the future, and is one of the most significant investments in public transport Northern Ireland has ever seen. And that's some of the exhibition of the history of Belfast, and this station is ready to grow with the growth of Belfast. Thank you everyone for walking with me. Whether you are a commuter or traveler or just curious, come and see the transformation for yourself. Belfast is moving forward, and this station is just the beginning.